This is not a snake. Instead, it's a harmless little caterpillar. Meet the hawkmoth caterpillar, nature's imposter. Many creatures have evolved fascinating camouflage techniques to survive in their environments, but a few can mimic the appearance and behavior of snakes as convincingly as the hawkmoth caterpillar. Before becoming a moth, the hawkmoth caterpillar is completely defenseless, so it has to develop this incredible ability to fool predators into thinking that it's a dangerous threat. Its appearance is uncannily similar to snake. It has a long and slender body, with eye-like markings, a segmented pattern, and even a head that mimics the movement of a snake. But not only its look, the hawkmoth caterpillar takes its mimicry to the next level. When threatened, it rears its head and inflates the front part of its body, mimicking a snake's defensive posture, which adds an extra layer of realism to the disguise, deterring potential predators. This worm can eat plastic. And you might be wondering, how is it possible for an animal to eat plastic? Meet the mealworm, nature's recycler. Plastic is one of the most pressing environmental issues, and recent research projected the volume of plastic entering the ocean could nearly triple to 29 million metric tons per year by 2040. Mealworms are the larval stage of the mealworm beetle that have been noticed by scientists for some time about their ability to eat plastics, and the key to this amazing ability is the microscopic bacteria in their gut that appear to secrete enzymes capable of breaking down plastic. When mealworms eat polystyrene, the material used in styrofoam and often found in packaging, they excrete half of it as carbon dioxide, and it takes around 3,000 mealworms about a week to eat one styrofoam coffee cup, and hopefully this can be implemented to deal with the ever-increasing plastic waste problem. This lizard can walk on water. Meet the basilisk, also known as the Jesus Christ lizard. Endemic to Central and South America, these lizards are widely known for their uncanny ability to run across surfaces of rivers and streams. Basilisk lizards accomplish this seemingly miraculous act by generating force with their feet that keeps their bodies above the surface and upright. They have flaps of rolled-up scales on their toes that unfurl when they hit the surface of the water. As they run, their big feet slam against the water's surface, creating a pocket of air, which increases the surface of the foot, and that's how they turn fluid into firm footing, which allows them to stay atop and out of the water. They can run on water up to 60 feet or 18 meters, at a speed of 15 miles or 24 kilometers per hour, before gravity takes over, and they begin to sink, and they use this ability mainly to flee from predators, such as large birds and snakes. Have you ever wondered, how can hamsters stuff so much food inside their cheeks? Hamsters can stuff foods up to 20% of their body weight into their cheeks. For comparison, that's like the average person stuffing 120 McDonald's Quarter Pounders inside their cheek. Hamsters eat all kinds of foods. When the amount of food is abundant, they store as much food as possible inside their cheeks, which have pouches that can extend halfway down their body and expand like a balloon with the help of special retractor muscles to help them stuff themselves to maximum capacity. They do this to collect as much food as possible, which they then hoard in their nest for future consumption in case of a food shortage, and some species even hide their babies inside their cheek pouches to keep them safe. Thanks to their pouch, hamsters can store an enormous amount of food, and hamster burrows have been found with nearly 200 pounds or 90 kilograms of stored food. This is one of the most feared animals, with the ability to ruin your picnic. Meet the goose, terror of the park. Geese have taken over parks across North America. They are highly aggressive and territorial, with a reputation for attacking or chasing literally anyone or anything that crosses into their territory. Geese are highly social animals, extremely adapted to urban habitats, with strong family bonds, and they exhibit communal nesting, where multiple geese lay their eggs in the same area, and share the responsibility of protecting their young, which amplifies their protective instincts. They use their size, loud honking, and wing flapping to intimidate and scare away any perceived threats. They also have serrated tongues and beaks, which they use mainly to cut plant matter and filter mud when they drink from puddles, which can also be a weapon to scare away threats. They have no fear of people and are very comfortable raising their goslings in our parks.